By becoming vice president in 2022, President Rodrigo Duterte asserts he can escape accountability for his supposed crimes.
They keep on threatening me with lawsuits and everything. Trillanes and itong si Carpio and his ilk. Panay ang takot sa akin na mademanda ako.
Duterte took a pot shot at his critics, mentioning former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV and former Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio for trying to scare him with threats of prosecution once his term as president ends.
Sabi ng batas na kung presidente ka, vice-presidenta ka, may immunity ka. Adi, tatakbo na lang ako ng vice-presidente.
He said this during PDP Laban's National Assembly in Clark, Pampanga.
And after that, tatakbo ulit ako ng vice-presidente at vice-presidente at vice-presidente.
The ICC, or the International Criminal Court, is set to decide if a formal investigation should be conducted regarding the Duterte administration's anti-drug campaign.
If they insist on trying me on the basis of the Rome Statute, which we appended illegally because there was no publication, ang maglabas niyan, I would go to this Constitution which says that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. So I will transfer that phrase in my case. I was deprived of a due process.
Duterte asserts the ICC can never acquire jurisdiction over him.
You know, I'm a lawyer, and they can never acquire jurisdiction over my person, not in a million years.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.